Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to ban someone from Discord server. First of all, launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. At left, you'll be able to see all of your servers over here. Simply tap on the server of your choice. After you do that, that particular server will be selected. Now, what you have to do is simply tap on any channel of your choice. Now, once you do that, you can see over here that particular channel will be opened. At top, you'll be able to see the channel name over here. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the channel information over here. At top, you'll be able to find the options like members, media, pins, threads, etc. Make sure members option is selected. Now over here, you'll be able to see the list of members. What you have to do is tap on the member of your choice. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see their profile. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here in the section for moderator actions, you'll be able to find various options. You'll be able to find the options like manage, timeout, kick and ban. What you have to do is tap on the option ban that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll have to confirm banning that member. You'll be able to see this option for delete message history. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, you'll also have to enter the reason for ban. Tap on the field for reason for ban. Now once you do that, what you have to do is enter the reason over here. Now after you enter the reason, tap on the ban option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that particular member will be banned from the server. So like this, you'll be able to ban them. So that is how you ban someone from Discord server. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.